Hi, my name is Justin Smith. I'm the Public Information Officer with the Idaho Transportation Department in District 5. ITD would like to thank everyone who participated in the I-15 Northgate to Fort Hall project open house in June and July of 2023. In this video, we will discuss the most common questions and comments that we received from you and go over the next steps in the project. Before we go over the results of the open house, let's do a quick review of the improvements planned for the project. Beginning at the Northgate interchange at exit 73 in Chubbuck and ending at the Fort Hall interchange at exit 80, ITD plans to reconstruct I-15 to 3 lanes in each direction. Outdated bridges and overpasses will be replaced to accommodate the additional lanes and to meet current design standards. This will improve interstate operations and increase safety and capacity, which will benefit the commercial, residential, and recreational motorists who use this roadway every day. Now that we've reviewed the project, let's discuss the results of the 2023 open house. The I-15 Northgate to Fort Hall open house took place in June and July. There were 2 meeting options, an in-person open house at the Shoshone-Bannock Convention Center in Fort Hall, and an online option hosted on the project website. 43 people attended the meeting in person on June 29th. 215 people participated in the online meeting between June 29 and July 14, and we received a total of 45 written comments. We heard a variety of thoughts and ideas about the design plans. The key themes included: most participants approved of the final design plan, which widens the interstate to 3 lanes by using the median area between the existing lanes. Several participants said that widening I-15 is needed and will improve traffic operations in eastern Idaho. Some participants suggested additional improvements for the project area, such as installing additional lighting near interchanges, constructing features that will reduce wildlife vehicle collisions, building noise walls, and including a multi-use path along the interstate. Now I would like to address some of the most commonly asked questions that we heard. 1. Will the lighting be improved at the Northgate and Fort Hall interchanges? Yes, ITD does plan to improve lighting at the Northgate and Fort Hall interchanges. Additional lighting at these interchanges will enhance safety. 2. There have been more wildlife crashes than usual on I-15 this year. Has ITD considered this when designing the I-15 Northgate to Fort Hall project? A substantial amount of elk habitat burned in wildfire last year, causing them to migrate to the west of I-15 in search of food. ITD is partnering with Idaho Fish and Game and the Shoshone-Bannock tribes to look at solutions to keep the elk off the interstate. Through that partnership, ITD is evaluating fencing options to prevent elk from crossing the interstate, which may be included in the Northgate to Fort Hall widening project. Idaho Fish and Game, as well as Shoshone-Bannock tribe leaders, agree that this will contribute to the prevention of the elk migration across the interstate. 3. Will ITD put up noise walls along I-15 as part of this project? A noise study is being conducted as part of the environmental evaluation. ITD does not anticipate a need for any noise walls between the Northgate and Fort Hall interchanges. 4. Will a multi-use path be included along the interstate? A multi-use pathway is not part of the project. The purpose of this project is to increase safety and capacity on the interstate. ITD will keep these comments from the community in mind when developing future projects in eastern Idaho. You may be curious about what we've done with your input. Each of your comments has been reviewed and discussed by the project team. Your comments confirm that our team is moving in the right direction with the design, and ITD appreciates your feedback. The project team will finalize the design plans with your input in mind. You may be wondering, what's next? The design team is working to finalize design plans and prepare for construction. Once the plans are finalized, the project will be made available for contractor bidding. Construction on this project is anticipated to begin in 2024. Be sure to check out the Downloads and Resources section of the project website to review project information, including the materials used during the June 2023 open house. There you will also find a frequently asked questions sheet, which provides answers to additional questions received at the public open house. To continue to stay informed about this project, please visit the project website at itdprojects.idaho.gov. itd.org/I-15 corridor, or use the contact information at the bottom of your screen. Thank you for participating in the development of this project. ITD will continue to keep the community informed as this project moves forward.